best foods for quick recovery. Recovering from illness, injury, or exhaustion, what you eat can make all the difference. Fuel your body with the best nutrient-rich foods that not only repair but also energize you to bounce back stronger. Let's dive into what to include on your plate for speedy recovery. Proteins are the building blocks of recovery. Lean options like chicken, turkey, eggs, or plant-based choices like lentils and tofu help repair damaged tissues and rebuild muscles. They provide essential amino acids that your body depends on to heal efficiently and recover faster. Fruits like blueberries, oranges, and kiwi are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which combat inflammation and boost your immune system. These powerhouse nutrients help reduce oxidative stress, enhancing your recovery process and restoring your energy levels quickly. Hydration is vital during recovery. Add water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and broth-based soups to your diet. These not only keep your body hydrated, but also provide essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium to rejuvenate tired muscles and organs. Recovering bodies need sustained energy. Switch to whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats, which provide a steady release of glucose. Their fiber and nutrient content stabilize blood sugar and help maintain energy levels throughout the day as your body heals. Foods like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds are rich in omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation in tissues, joints, and muscles. Incorporating these into your diet can accelerate healing and also support overall heart health during recovery phases. Now's the time to make every bite count. Experiment with these recovery-boosting foods and see the difference they can make. Like and share this video to help others on their recovery journey, and subscribe for more health-forward tips to empower your well-being. Take charge today.